We're up here at Oak Creek camping. This is Oak Creek. We got Alex with it. And we got the crapper right behind us. Our camp's over here. We got it all set up. We walked down here by the creek. I got my hat wet because it's already getting hot. And we got camp set up and the rooftop tent all set up. We got the game camera over here too, getting some pictures of us walking by and whatever we're doing. But here's our little camp with the rooftop tent I made on our trailer, and we're still under a fire ban, so I made this little wonderful gadget. Just took an old gas barbecue burner and put it inside of a big ammo can. There you go, instant fire.